Hey YouTube, this is my small garden that I have started, and I've had it for maybe 2 years. Just wanted to show y'all my chia seed plant and how the bees are just buzzing around it. 1, 2, 3. See that top one up there? 3 bees on it. There's a bee right there on that one, I think. There we go, it's gone. And they're pretty much just buzzing around, and it started off with 1, maybe 2. And this is what, November 17th, 2017. It's really getting to know nature and getting out in nature all of a sudden. And I've had my chia seed plant for about maybe 2 or 3 months. Could be 4 or 5. My aloe plant, very strong, very tall, very big. It's doing really good.
Yeah, cheese on me.
Yeah, chia seed plant. Alright. She had a little bit of snotty nose, so she just got a cold. So y'all have to just bear with her. You know. And I'll make another video with her in it. But that is my chia seed plant. Very proud of it. And I'm starting on my mango tree right there in the green flower pot. And I've sold my avocado tree just right there. Yeah. And kiddos are outside playing, just having fun. There's Kiana. There's Raven. Enjoying themselves out in nature. We're just trying to go back to nature. All right. See y'all later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oops.